Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see HCA MCQs 2017 Regulation Anna University Syllabus. First question, the roles involved in HCA. Human, system, both, none of the above. The answer is both because both human and system are involved in HCA. In name itself, we can understand HCA is human computer interaction. Here, human and computer are the main factors. How many interaction ways in HCA? 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 2. Two interaction ways are there. Which one is the example of direct interaction? The options are feedback, control of an environment, both, none of the above. The answer is feedback. Pick the correct statement with respect to Fitts law. The options are interactive single page process, inline assistant process. It is an ergonomic principle that ties the size of the target and its contextual proximity to ease of use. None of the above. The answer is it is an ergonomic principle that ties the size of the target and its contextual proximity to ease of use. This is Fifth's law. B enough belongs to which of the below? The options are Gomes model, hierarchy model, linguistic model, physical and device model. The answer is linguistic model. When will a drop will be valid? The options are if over an invalid folder, the folder is highlighted as well. Next option, the dragged object's icon changes to a green check mark. Option C, the dragged object's icon becomes a red invalid sign. Option D, the drop target highlights. It is a multi-choice question. The answers are option B and option D. The dragged object icon changes to a green check mark. The drop target highlights. Next question. The most dynamic way to get database content on the web. The options are accessing a database directly from a running applet, accessing the database through an interface, accessing the database through an package, accessing the database through an tool. The answer is accessing the database directly from a running applet. Next question. In Norman's model, the following activities are performed during evaluation. The answers are interpret system state, evaluate system state with respect to goal, perceive system state. Other two are execution states. List out some of the best practices to keep in mind during the design of input overlay. The answer is clear focus, display versus editing, anti-pattern. Next question, given a task of evaluation by gathering information on how the users approach the interface and what consideration the user keeps in mind when using the interface, which of the technique you will choose to test the system. The options are cooperative evaluation, protocol analysis, automatic protocol analysis tool, think aloud, post task walkthroughs. The answer is protocol analysis. Information architecture is the options are the design of how the user can participate, the labels or triggers used to tell the users what something is, the visual layout of information, the organization of data within an informational space. The answer is option D. The organization of data within an informational space is called as information architecture. When videos are dragged to a new location in user's video queue, identify the approach adopted. The options are insertion sort, placeholder, target, inline target, drag lines. The answer is insertion target. Interviewing people and videotaping is a part of The options are analysis, design, recruitment, prototyping. The answer is recruitment because uh, people telling things are recorded as a videotaping and some other things. It will be a requirement for the project. Cellular radio 4G technologies. The options are CDMA with TDMA, packets, higher speed, TDMA, some CDMA support for packets. Option C is OFDM, smart antennas, MIMO. Option D is FDMA, analog. The answer is option C, OFDM, smartphone antennas, MIMO. This is the cellular 4G technologies. Pick the odd one with respect to HCA. The options are touch, sight, smell, hearing. The answer is smell. Dash is the easiest way to allow discontinuous selection. The options are collected selection, toggle selection, object selection, hybrid selection. The answer is toggle selection. Toggle selection is the easiest way to allow discontinuous selection. Pick the odd man out with respect to usability, robustness, flexibility, learnability, security. When we are considering about the usability, it will not consider the security. Other things like flexibility, robustness, and learnability will be considered. So the answer is security. Pick the irrelevant phrase with respect to the white space. The options are structure, separate, navigate, highlight. The answer is navigate. Choose the correct sequence in interaction design process. The options are analysis, requirement, design. Next option is requirement, analysis, design, requirement, design, analysis, design, prototyping, deployment. The answers are requirement, analysis, design, design, prototyping, deployment. There are 5 steps in interaction design process. They are requirement, analysis, design, prototyping, deployment. Here B and D are in correct order. So the answers are option B and D. Which memory holds the information for rehearsal? The options are short-term memory, long-term memory, visual memory, haptic memory. The answer is short-term memory. Normally, the things we are seeing will be stored in sensory memory for a half second. After that, it will be stored in short-term memory. If we are doing rehearsal, then automatically it will be stored in long-term memory. Before going to the long-term memory, it will be stored in short-term memory. That question is asked here. So the answer is short-term memory. Which one is called as working memory? The options are short-term memory, long-term memory, visual memory, haptic memory. The answer is short-term memory. According to protocol analysis, pick the odd one. Paper and pencil, audio and video, computer logging, eye tracking. Here eye tracking is different, so eye tracking is the odd one. WIMP. What is the expansion of WIMP? Actually, W stands for Windows and I stands for icons, M stands for menus and P stands for pointers, or otherwise we can called as Windows icons, mouse, pull down menus. Evaluation done during design to check that product continues to meet users' needs are known as formative evaluation. Linguistic model is defined as the options are user's task and goal structure, user system grammar, physical and device models, hierarchical model. The answer is user system grammar. Ergonomics is also called as the options are assembly, human factor, information searching, heuristic approach. The answer is human factor. Pick the odd one. Iconic memory, long-term memory, echoic memory, haptic memory. Here, the answer is long-term memory because iconic is mentions about the eye and the echoic is mentions about the ear and the haptic memory mentions about the touch. But here, long-term memory is our normal memory. We are long time storing the things. Cognitive walkthrough is the best explained through know the customer requirement, expert consultation, host a bunch of inquiries from the user's view, take survey. The answer is post a bunch of reviews and the inquiries from the user's view. You never get it first right time. The options are analysis, design, prototype, evaluation. The answer is prototype. um, in prototype we can't get it right first time. It may be a cycle until we get it right. The hints about what the users may find to make good browsing decisions is called as the options are information foraging, hub and spoke browsing, hypertext map, wireframe. The answer is information foraging. High moves backwards over the text as well as forwards is known as the options are perceptions, regression, reflections, fixation. The answer is regression. Episodic and semantic are the type of the options are STM, LTM, sensory, vision. Here STM is short-term memory and LTM is long-term memory. Here Here, episodic and semantic are a type of LTM. Here, episodic mentions about the serial memory, semantic mentions about the hints we remember for a long time. Dash is type of one-handed keyboard. The options are alphabetic, Dvorak, QWERTY, Malta. The answer is Malta. This is a left-handed keyboard. Which keyboard we are currently using? The options are alphabetic, Dwara, QWERTY, Malta. The answer is QWERTY. We can see in our keyboard that after the tab button, we can see that QWERTY is the starting sentence of our letters in the keyboard. Pick the odds with respect to interaction styles. The options are command line interface, health issues, WIMP, dialog boxes. The answer is health issues because here other things are used for interaction. Command line or WIMP stand for we seen that icons, mouse, and a pointer or windows, these kind of things. So these also interaction styles. Dialog boxes. So one of the interaction style. Health issue is the different thing. According to the golden rule of design, choose the correct path. The options are keyboard monitor, user system, system programmer, computer tester. The answer is user system. The ultimate test of usability based on measurement of interaction experience, system experience, user experience, designer experience. The answer is user experience because here mentions about the usability always the system is usable by the user, no direct involvement but affected by success or failure. This actor is tertiary actor. Dialogues should not contain information that is irrelevant or rarely needed. Relevant to the options are flexibility and efficiency of use, aesthetic and minimalist design, health and documentation, error prevention. The answer is aesthetic and minimalist design. Pace of conversation is high in face to face, telephone, email, text. The answer is face to face. Dash application are called small web application which can't run by themselves. The options are mobile web widget, mobile web applications, games, native application. The answer is mobile web widgets. Dash is becoming an excellent data point to pivot information around. The options are productivity application context, utility context, informative application, local context. The visual layout of information is given by the options are information architecture, navigation design, information design, interface design. The option C is the right answer. The answer is information design. Dash provides a view into a different part of the list that can serve as a shortcut target. The answer is drag lines. Progressively reveal action based on user interaction well suits for the options are hover reveal tools, toggle reveals tools, multi-level tools, secondary menus. Here the answer is multi-level tools. Here because it mentions that progressively progressively reveal actions. In multi-level only the actions are done in progressive. Switching the content in and leaving the rest of the page stable refers to scrolled paging, inline paging, visual scrolling, visual panning. The answer is inline paging. Using which of the following how to show the contextual tools on demand? The answer is hover reveal tools. Dash keep the page as stable as possible. The answer is insertion target. Suggest an API you know to create native applications for the iPhone and iPod Touch, Cocoa Touch. Menus often offer key combinations that have the same effect as selecting the menu item. This is called keyboard accelerators. Thanks for watching.